Top 3 features I wish iPhone 12 had, which are given by every flagship phone. Apple finally launched its iPhone 12 series, which was actually planned for a September launch but was delayed due pandemic. Apple along with iPhone 12 series also launched a portable wireless speaker which has got awesome surround sound. In this video we are going to discuss top 3 features that Apple missed. Fingerprint Sensor. When Apple introduced its new iPad Air, it had Touch ID made on top, but this wasn't the case with iPhone 12. We have got to use only Face ID or password. In these times of people wearing masks on face, ID isn't preferred. It would be great if Apple had introduced fingerprint sensors like many flagship phones offer, which include OnePlus 8T, Samsung S20 and even Google Pixel 5. An all-time all display. The Apple Watch series had the always on screen from starting from the 5 series, but the iPhone 12 lacks and many flagship phones of Android offer this feature, which makes users read the notifications easily and get to know the time at a glance. But I'm happy that Apple gave all the 12 series a green signal for the OLED screens. Higher refresh rate for smooth scrolling. Many Android phones from Samsung, Google and OnePlus have offered higher refresh rate and also ability to change. In OnePlus 8 Pro, you can change refresh rate from 80Hz to 120Hz. Higher refresh rate makes navigation through phone smooth and easy and more responsive. But this feature is available somewhere in iPad Pro, which has the ability to boost its refresh rate to 120Hz. So this was my opinion on the missing features of iPhone 12. What are yours? Do comment in the comment section below and let's go strong and hit 100 subscribers as fast as we can.